So, hi everyone, I am Manoj Khandelwal and welcome to Uncodemy, India's #1 IT training company. And this is the second part of the variables in Python, a practical guide to variables in Python. And in this video, I will be discussing about the data types that a variable can hold. So first, I will define what is data type. So what is a data type? A data type represents type of data a variable can hold. Means a variable can store what type of data, that is what is called as data type. So I'll take few examples of different data types in Python that a variable can hold. So for example, say there are many built-in data types in Python. So if a variable is like this, say the name of the variable is say num1 and the value we are going to assign is 25. So this type is integer, int. An integer data type in Python can store integer values, means the whole numbers of both signs, positive as well as negatives. But an integer cannot store a number with a decimal point. Say num2, I'm creating one more variable and right now the value is 5.45 and the data type, now the data type is float. So float is again a built-in data type in Python which can be used to store a real number or a number with a decimal point like this. I'm creating one more variable and right now I'm using a value 12j, and this makes j makes a number as a complex number in Python. Basically in Python, a numeric data type is subdivided into three categories: integers, floats and complex numbers. So this is an example of complex number. We can store true and false values also, and that data type is called as boolean in Python. Say here I want to store a true value and the data type is boolean or bool. So it is my integer, it is my float, it is my complex number, integer number, float number, complex number, it's boolean. We can store a none value also, and that is called as none data type. If I want to create a variable but I don't want to assign a value to it because I don't have at the moment, but in future I'll be getting that value. So what can I do is I can create a variable with the none data type. So this is a none data type. We can use, means we can store multiple values in variables also. So we can store collections. So in num6 I'm storing multiple numbers in the same variable num6, and the values are like 5, 8, 2, 1, 2, 8, 1, and this data type is called as list in Python. Basically a list data type is an ordered mutable collection of different data values. So whenever we have to store multiple values in the same variable, we can use a list data type. And a list in Python is created using square brackets. Then there is one more type of collection which is called as tuple. Say this is tuple, and tuple is also an ordered collection. And the difference between list and tuple is a list is a mutable collection while a tuple is immutable collection. Means in tuples we cannot modify its items, but we can modify the items of a list. So tuple, this is a tuple data type. So list and tuple both can be used to store multiple values, collections basically. There is one more data type in Python to store collections, but this data type can store only unique values, means it will not store duplicates. As you can say in list, I have written duplicates like 8 is duplicated here, 1 is also duplicated here, but this collection which is called as set cannot store duplicate values. So this is again one more collection, and that is also a built-in data type called as set. So we can write like this. So this is collection, this is collection of values, and this time it is set. And we are using curly brackets to create a set in Python. Now we can store multiple items using dictionaries also, and dictionaries are used to store real values or real time data, because a dictionary is a collection of key value pairs. So we'll be using curly brackets to create a dictionary. Say I want to store a person's data, so name of the dictionary is person, and here the name of the person, the actual name of the person is say James Webb, and the second item is like his age, and the age of James Webb is 34. So basically this is a collection, this is a collection of items, and in this collection of items the item represents a key value pair. This is the difference between a dictionary and a set, because we are creating a set and dictionary using same character curly brackets. So this data type is dictionary. One more data type I have left is the string, and string is one of the most versatile data type in Python. So say num9 is the variable where I want to store my text data type is called as string in Python. So string is a collection of characters, or a sequences of characters is called as a string. Say I want to store a name here, say James Webb, so this data type is string. So basically a variable in Python can hold all these data types.
For free career counseling or demo sessions, call or WhatsApp on this number